Top 10 sexual position, go.
What?
Yo, what? I'll go first. S tiers,
Back
6'9". 69 is the best.
69 is overrated.
It's distracting.
I'm a big eye contact guy. I need to know that, like, within their soul, that, like, I'm doing a good job. For me, it's like a cowgirl thing. It's one of my favorites.
I'm big into eye contact too, but from the back.
That cannot be comfortable for.
You gotta hit the back shots, right?
Back
Bend
shots
them,
are so boring.
Oh, you know-
Am I crazy to say that I never really liked back shots?
and then bend her in such a way
Yeah,
that her
right.
eyes are looking back.
Not
That
the
is
visual,
fucking crazy.
not the visual aids. Now hear me out. Back shots in front of a mirror.
Would
Fair.
you look at yourself fucking...
If you like looking at yourself in the mirror, low key, you're influenced by Christian Bale, fam.
It's Christian, so.
Another crazy date I had, I was watching American Psycho with this guy. He was trying to make some moves on me. I left. He was like, I'm sorry. It's just like, you know, American Psycho just got me in a mood.
In a mood?
Hey, ow!